Welcome back to Aries Communication. Today we're looking at the new Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch M5, the next level of power and performance from Apple. If you're a creative professional, a developer, or just someone who demands serious performance, this machine might be exactly what you've been waiting for. The Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch M5 carries forward the same premium unibody aluminum design, available in space black and silver. It features a 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with a 3024 by 1964 resolution and promotion technology up to 120 Hz. The screen delivers sharp detail, smooth motion, and deep contrast for true-to-life colors. At its core is the new Apple M5 chip with a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU. It delivers faster processing, smoother graphics, and better power efficiency than ever before. Paired with 16 GB of unified memory and up to 4 TB of SSD storage, the M5 MacBook Pro handles 8K video editing, 3D rendering, and multitasking effortlessly. The new neural engine enhances AI-driven tasks, making this laptop ideal for professionals who work with advanced creative software or machine learning tools. Apple includes 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI, an SDXC card slot, MagSafe 3 charging, and a headphone jack. Audio performance is excellent, thanks to the 6-speaker setup with spatial audio, and the 1080p FaceTime HD camera ensures clear video calls. Battery life reaches up to 24 hours of video playback, making it perfect for all-day work or travel. The MacBook Pro 14M5 runs on macOS Tahoe, optimized for the M5 chip with faster performance, improved app management, and tighter integration with Apple Intelligence. Starting at $1,599, the MacBook Pro 14-inch M5 sets a new standard for professional laptops. It's powerful, efficient, and built for the future of creative work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aries Communication for more amazing tech and sound reviews every week.